Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm James. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, follow the new video. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform, which platform you can use and comment to site link in my video description. You can click the open the browser, it will bring into this interface. You can see the site name is Roca, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So simply you input your email address, put your password, and after the complete all details, simply click the sign up button and your account ready for sign in, and I will show you everything. So I click sign in option, I put my details after I put my details, simply click the sign in option, and you can see loading this option, and after the loading you can simply visit the site. All details available in here. You can see the site details, site official registration link, site about, and you can see the site minimum deposit are 10 USDT and minimum withdrawal are 2.8 USDT. You can see this, and simply scroll down, you can see the VIP1 are 10 USDT, VIP2 16 USDT, VIP3 180 USDT, and VIP4 360 USDT, and VIP5 800 USDT. You can read the all VIP in available in here. You can see that if you deposit 10 USDT, you can earn regular 2.8 USDT, guys. This is too much. So simply read the already, simply click the I know button. You can see after me section, simply click the me section and click the recharge option, and I will show you how to recharge in this platform. Simply click the recharge USDT option, copy the address, go to the your all select your address network test it. You intend paste your address, put amount, how much amount you're interested for deposit. After the complete all details, simply come here, click the recharge completed button, and your recharge are completed. Simply click the back icon. You can see the recharge are already added in my phone. Simply click the tax option, and I will show you how to complete the tax. And so you can see the tax are already in half. So simply click the to complete option. You can see the tax is loading. After the loading full will complete, I will show you everything in this platform. You can see the tax is loading and the tax is completed. So I simply click the complete option. You can see the tax is fulfilled complete. So I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply click the withdraw me option. You can simply withdraw option and need to put your amount, how much amount you're interested for withdrawal, and I go to my wallet. And simply I go my wallet, and simply your network, you want to choose your network and copy the address. After you copy the address, simply go your platform and paste your address. I paste my address, I put my password. After you put my password, until the confirm button, we can see the is running, and yeah, my withdrawal successfully done, and I will show you I receive or not in just few seconds. Just wait just few seconds. In this platform you can see the VIP section. Simply click the VIP section, and you can see that I have VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, and almost VIP10 in available in here, guys. You can see the VIP interest rate is too much high. You can see that, and you can see that there have a team section. Simply click the team section. You can see there have a 3 level available for team commission: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 1 10%, level 2 5%, and level 3 1%. You can see that there are many kind of level in here. So guys, don't miss share your referral link. So simply you copy your referral link and go to the social media, share your referral link, and more income by the referral link. So guys, don't miss your referral link by the sharing. So simply click the home section, and I go my wallet, and I will check I will receive or not. So I reload, and I think I reload my page. I think it is server issue, guys. I received my withdrawal just a few seconds. I will show this withdrawal book in my video, so you can see that. You can see there are many kinds of languages available in Bangla, France, Italian, Portugal, and many languages available. You can choose your personal language. So if you face, guys, any kind of problem in this platform, so if you contact the customer service and solve your problem, you can see the left corner customer service available. So customer service contact and solve your problem, guys. And guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is on just it and you on the. So guys, until today's video, see you next another running video.